Take a ride in the 2020 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, tow hitch, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.